Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So in this episode we have this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a hat that's adjustable as well, and it's from the brand Adidas. So first thing first, I should open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like. If you guys can see, it looks pretty cool. Then I should put it on to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when I put it on, it should look something like this. Right now it definitely feels really tight, so I do want to adjust the back part to make it a little bit more looser. So let's do that first. So you can see on the back side right here, this is basically the adjustment right here. So you want to just open this part up, just like this. And you guys can make it tighter or looser based on your own preference. Alright, so I do want to make it a little bit looser. And then clip it back in. And slide this little part right here back inside to hide it. Alright, so once we adjust it and put this part back in, it should look like that. And that's what the inside looks like. So let's try to put it back on again. Alright, so when I put it on, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. If I turn it around, this is what it looks like on this side. If I turn it on the side, this is what it looks like on the side right here, if you can see. So I actually like it in front a lot more. It looks a lot more cooler when you guys are wearing the front. And if you guys wear in the back, it doesn't look as cool. Compared to when I actually wear this hat right here. When I wear in the back right here, it actually looks pretty cool. And if I wear in the front, it still looks cool as well, if you can see. And it actually goes really well with my Adidas shirt that I have right here, or jacket right here. So that's basically a quick unboxing and testing of the actual product itself. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this hat in particular is pretty worth it. They do have other colors available, so you definitely want to do your own research to see which one's best for you guys. I did get another color as well that I'm still waiting for. That is a black one. So I can't wait for that to arrive. But this one in particular right here, that's blue one, it looks pretty nice as well. But definitely the style of the actual hat itself looks pretty awesome and feels really nice as well. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.